Hi. So this Sade, smooth operator, and this is in the video with the scrolling tab. This is at 0.57, so 57 seconds in. You finally get something. You get something different because so far it's been going. That sort of thing. Then you start to get this, don't you? Okay, so now hopefully you can see this actually move back slightly. Oh, let's move this down slightly. Okay, so the main thing that's happening there is this power chord shape. So you've been going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you're 1, 4, bum, bum, and then you're into this. So actually, let me just check that. Is the last thing that happens? Let me check. Yes, you've just gone 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so you've got your first finger at the second fret of the D string, and then right, 1 and 2, and you still got that timing. Let me go back to make sure I'm in shot. You still got that timing of 1 and 2. And the next note is coming on the end of 2. 1 and 2 and. Then you've got those notes that are in a bracket over the top of the stave. And there's a number in the middle of the bracket, and it looks to me like it says 5, but it doesn't. It says 3. And what it's indicating is that those are crotchet triplets. So what does that mean? 3 of those crotchet triplets. 3 of those crotchets, you can see that the bracket contains 3 crotchets, and that means the 3 means they're in 3 time or triplet time. So bum 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 bum, and a crotchet triplet lasts for 2 beats. So there's 4 beats in a bar in this because it's in 4/4. So when you're in 4/4 and you have a crotchet triplet, you have 1 2 3 1 2 3, and that lasts for a bar. Yeah. And so, like any triplet feel in 4/4 time, it's just giving you 3 against 4. Yeah. So you're going 1 2 3 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's all straight 4 time. There's the syncopation, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Syncopation meaning the accent has been put on the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And that gives it a lilt, that makes it move. But this triplet feel thing gives you a more floaty feel, if you like. You get this 1 2 3, 1 and 2 and 3, da, da, 1 and 2 and dum dum dum, 1 and 2 and dum dum dum. Yeah, 1 and 2, bum 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 bum, 1 and 2, dum bum bum bum. So as the beat's going 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, every of those 2 beats you're getting a dun dun dun. Yeah, and that's your crotchet triplet. So let's see if I probably can't do this. 1 2 3 4, ba 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 ba. I can do this. 1 2 3 4, ba 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 ba. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Dun dun dun. 1 2 3. Yeah. So you had 1 and 2 and 1 2 3, 1 and 2 and 1 2 3. I hope that makes sense. Yeah. Why do I keep there? Okay, yeah, I hope that makes sense. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and the crotchet triplet just means 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and you can see that count of 1, 2, 3 isn't the same as this 1, 2, because this is the beat of 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So in the second half of those bars, that's the timing. 1 and 2 and ba ba ba. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and triplet. 1 and 2 and triplet. Yeah. And it's basically this in terms of this hand. It's a parachord shape. Yeah. So 3rd fret, low E, gives you the note G. 5th fret on the A string, and then 5th fret on the D string. Then you just move that shape up. And then you've got this bit, haven't you, which goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So here, this descending chromatic line, chromatic just meaning 1 fret at a time, or a semitone at a time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's the same time as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, yeah? But you're just doing it in this chromatic run. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you get that little, which quavers on beat 4. So where would you be in terms of fingers on this end? Yeah, I think I would just move my first finger to the A string, 5th fret, and then just bring it down because it's slow enough. I mean, the tempo is slow enough to do that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and triplet. Then what do you have? Then you've just got a little. Yeah. So then you got that bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Ah, I forgot it. Sorry. Let me go back to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3. Bum, bum. Yeah, that's about 1 minute 9 in. Now that bit where he does a slide, and you see these notes, the last 2 notes of a crotchet triplet. Pretty difficult to count, so I wouldn't worry about counting it, just try and hear it. So just notice what he does, really listen to what he does and try to do it in the same timing as him. Then you're back to boom, bum, 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 boom, boom, bum, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, yeah? Then you're back to, yeah? So then you're back to what you've been doing before. So this video was just about this part. Sorry, I forgot that last bit. But we just did it. So this video is just about that part, and the main thing there is, like I said, it's that triplet feel, that crotchet triplet feel, and this hand doing this power chord shape, really. Now you don't have to have all fingers pressing down at the same time. You don't want all fingers pressing down at the same time, not like a guitar. You don't want them ringing into each other. You just got your fingers in that shape, ready. In fact, when I have that first finger on the fretboard, these 2 fingers, they're not touching the strings, they're just hovering just above the strings, ready to be put down on the strings, because because I'm going to be playing those strings very soon. Okay, so hopefully that's all right for that part.